So what is up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make vector image logo for YouTube channel. So guys, open a photo in this app. The app name is in description and make opacity less. Then select a pen tool and we are going to select a ballpoint pen. It will be more easy for the selection. And select ballpoint pen and make a separate layer. First we are going to select here. So guys, the selection of here is done and you can turn on the display outline and it shows the outlines and it is easy for the selection. And now we are making the selection of face. I know guys, the video is too fast. You can make it slow from the setting and give time on it. Do carefully, then only the selection will be good. Now guys, we are going for the selection of eyebrows. And guys, the selection of left eyebrow is done and fill black color on it. And guys, make a duplicate copy of it and put that into another. You can flip it horizontally. And now we are going to select eye. guys, the outer selection is done and I am filling color in eyes. Now I have filled color in face, as you can see. Guys, almost all part is done, and now I am making lips. So do nicely, give time on it, then only it will look nice. So guys, all done. Now export it, and if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.